Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Steph and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to the first vlog of Sri Lanka. We're in Sri Lanka if you guys didn't know by now, and if you haven't watched the previous videos, watch those. I am so excited for the first day. It is morning right now and it is currently 7:31 a.m. Obviously we have to wake up early in the morning for the breakfast. Otherwise I wouldn't even wake up at all. But to be honest, the mornings are so slow here. I don't know, the sounds of the ocean, the birds chirping, the trees, like wow, the breeze, it's so serene, it's so warm, and I feel so refreshed. So let's kickstart day one. Okay, so before I go, I just want to let you guys know about the itinerary, the plan for today. So right now it's 7:31. We're gonna get ready and then head for breakfast. At 9 o'clock, our tour guide is coming to pick us up, and we're heading to Elephant Orphanage. It's basically a conservation where like the rescued elephants are there. You can also have different activities, like if you want to sit on the elephant and like have a bath with the elephant or something like that. Secondly, we'll have the half-day Colombo City tour. So this is the plan for now. The weather, guys, there are like rainy clouds over there, but then it's like so clear on this side. Anyways, we are prepared for today. So we're gonna go and get ready now. Okay guys, so I and Mama are all ready and we're heading for breakfast. I'll show you guys my outfit of the day and everything later on. Right now we have to rush because as soon as we're done with breakfast we have nothing to do. We'll just wait for a tour guide, so we'll do that. Till then, I'll complete all my pictures, TikToks, and I'll show you guys my fit. We've got our table, we assembled the bag and now we'll head for breakfast. Guys, this is all like the hot stuff, like baked vegetables, chicken hash, cream cheese potato, scrambled eggs, boiled egg. You get pancakes and all here. There's so much to choose from that I'm getting confused. Hey guys, shorts. So this is what I've got for now. I've got watermelon, I've got a sandwich, and I've got vanilla French toast. And then that's Mama's. She's just got croissant, eggs, and sausages with omelette. There's so much to choose from that I and Mama both were getting so confused. However, let's do a quick fit check. Okay, so my chain is from H&M and all different stores are my bracelets. My earrings are Primark. Beautiful, long, colorful cardigan is from Matalan. My bralette is from XOXO. And my pants are Debenhams and they're these wide leg ones. And I absolutely love them. They're so cute. And my footwear is Kurt Keeger. That is my fit check. Okay guys, I've come to the washroom over here because I want to change my bralette crop top into a bodysuit. Why? Because I just found out, my tour guide told me that today our trip is going to be very activity coded and activity prone type, and if I'm not comfortable it will be an issue. So beforehand itself it's better if I would change. I'm clearly sweating a lot. I've worn my bodysuit above the bralette itself in case, and it does not look bad, but I have to take pictures all over again because I clicked so many pictures before and yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, we're here in the reception waiting for our tour guide to come. I clicked most of my TikToks I could. I had to refilm it because there's an outfit change clearly. But now we're waiting for him and yeah. Hi! Good morning, I'm Stephanie. Same here. So Mama, how excited are you? We're heading to Pinnavala, I believe, where like we're gonna see the elephants, and I'm excited. We didn't do Mama's outfit check. We'll do that quick when we're out. But guys, someone just knocked our car. Oops! Someone just hit the car. I don't think it's a big injury. Nothing. What happened? The sound is gone. Look at that. Goldfishes. Wow. Cashewness. Do we get down or like? No. Guys, small. Is that a small? First purchase done. Thank you so much. We've got cashews. These are the spiced ones. And then the other ones are like this.
Elephants all come.
So many. I know. Only one. Guys, we've come inside the orphanage area over here. I've tied my hair up because I'm kind of feeling the humid. Mama's gone to the washroom because then I think inside you don't have anywhere to go to the washroom. And then we're gonna enter in. We have to pay the entry fee. We did that and I'm excited. Hey guys, we enter in. Okay guys, so this is the path where like elephants walk. Basically, they have to go for this bath in the river. And one is at 12 o'clock. We just finished, we missed it. And then one is at 2 o'clock. So, yeah. Oh my god, we are in the land of elephants, guys.
When you're going, it's
Guys, elephants. And only elephants. So these are not wild elephants, by the way. These are the ones that have been taken care. So that's why there are like so many people who just look at these elephants. I got an opportunity to come on the front place here. Guys, they're just like a few meters away from me. But look how many. Like, array. There is Pammy, there is Patty, there is Stavi, and then there's me. There are elephants with tusks, but they are away from the ones that do not have tusks, which is very evident. Okay, so basically there are elephants here, and then there are elephants over there in that jungle there. So this guy has taken my phone because he's gonna take a picture of those elephants. That is so cool. Like my phone is with him right now, and he's taking a picture of the elephants with tusks. Like so cool. Yeah, it is hot though. We're dripping sweat. Guys, look at the baby elephant over there. It's in a very playful mood at the moment. I wish I could experience it so closer. Yeah, it has something near its trunk. I always think, what might be going inside an elephant's mind? Mama? Color? Okay, at least Mama didn't call me huge. Array. So color chinta, sancha color. Like, color. Like. Burgian cheek. Guys, I can see my phone coming back.
Baby.
Oh my god. Guys, he's taken an amazing job.
because that works like a cooling fan for them.
Oh my god. I think that one. Guys, you're feeding the elephant over there. You have like different activities to do. You can like sit on the elephant, feed the elephant, walk with the elephant, give a bath to the elephant. It's so cute. And the mud on them, they act as a sunscreen, by the way.
Natural protection.
So they themselves put it on them?
Yeah.
I thought someone like puts it on them.
No.
They themselves put the mud.
They throw the mud to them.
Oh, wow. Even the elephants know to apply sunscreen. Kids, don't forget to apply your sunscreens. It's funny how even the elephants know that applying sunscreen is important. I can't believe I'm so close to the elephant right now. Oh my god. Like, can you see? I can even go there and stand. They heat a lot and then they get very irritated with the human with it. Just like Stephanie. Yeah. Oops. Went in, guys, and we're near to that elephant. Like, imagine if the elephant sees us. Like, Stephanie. Like, I'm just imagining an elephant with its ears like, running towards me. Like, I wouldn't be surprised. Anyways, we've come to the souvenir shop. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're right near the...
See here on top, what you see is the replica of the sacred tooth relic, how it's cascaded.
Okay, I'm taking magnets here, and blue is Eshel's color, purple is Susan, and pink is mine. I'm getting blue and pink in the big ones for me and Eshel, but then purple there's only a smaller one, and I don't know what do I do. Guys, I found purple. It has red also, but it's okay. And then there's pink, and then there's blue. So cute. I changed the blue, by the way. I kept it like this. Yeah, we have come out here because like there are like different shops, and then we're gonna have lunch. So we're checking out magnets as well as fans. These are so much in handy for me, so we're just looking at that. Guys, it works as a hat and a fan. Oh, can you please wear it? Wear it. I thought you'll wear it. Kisha? Listen to. They keep welcoming you everywhere. But right now we're on the path where like the elephants walk from the river. Like after they have a bath. Like, can you see the river over there? Yeah, after that bath they keep walking through this like a session or whatever. That's around 2 p.m. And right now it is 1:19 p.m. So we're going to a restaurant right now. Guys! Arey, that's the river they have a bath in. Cute. I hope you guys could see this with your real eyes, like right in front of it. Because the camera is not doing justice. Oh my god. Oh, that startled me. I was like, oh my god, elephant. Hi. Shut up, you're kidding me. We are in the hotel and this is the view. What the hell? So we are right now in Hotel Pinnalanda in Pinnavara, where this is the view and like there are elephants. They are having a bath and it's so cute. This is just so good. We're waiting for a table so that we get a good view. But apart from that, this is how everything looks. So we got a table over here and that is the view. Can you believe it? So it's buffet system, by the way, guys. Guys, I've taken my food. I have some noodles over here and I have like these potato fried stuff. And I also got for ketchup and there's Coke. Mama is trying different stuffs. But you know, I'm very picky in my food eating habits. But right now the sun's disappeared. But can you believe this? Like a view, food, what all do you need?
2,000 years later.
Right where we're having lunch, they came for their fun time. It also started raining. I don't know if you can see, but it is kind of raining. And what an amazing time for them to go and have a bath. Like, oh my god. One of the elephant is purchasing something, I believe. How cute. I just love elephants, guys. I feel like elephant is my spirit animal now. Guys, what the hell? The amount of elephants came. Oh my god. Guys, look, this is why they are all in a herd. Because they're protecting the baby in the middle over there. You can't see the baby over there. It's over there. So, oh my god. Basically, elephant's main job is to protect the baby. And it is just so cute. This is where we have come now. It's the Millennium Elephant Foundation. Basically, we can do all the activities like walking, bathing and all of that, but a private type of a tour, not for like everyone there crowded. So we just come here to check the prices. Already got so much heat pulse because of the heat here. But there's also a bit of wind, so that's also okay. Okay guys, there are 3 packages. This is not available at the moment. This is everything like feeding, walking and all of that. And even barking of the elephants, but without a ride with the elephant, like on sitting on the elephant. But this is with that. So I and Mama are taking the $15 one because bus chair Mysore Ankela. So that's fine. Mama is sweating like anything. But in here, oh my god, I'm nervous but excited. I know I'm gonna get wet now, but I've got extra clothes. Mama's just coming with me, but she's not gonna be doing the other activities. I can see someone. Guess who I spotted? Oh, I really want to give a bath to the elephant. I'm supposed to go barefoot because apparently if you go barefoot, you'll have better grip. That's what the thing is. We are enlightening everyone in the family about our trip. And here I'm waiting for a tour guide.
So he will first start with all the wild elephant live in the national park.
Elephant, leg bone.
We have already, we also have.
Oh.
Where are you from, please? Egypt.
Sure. Oh, Jesus. Oh.
And this one?
Oh my god.
More heavy, this one arm.
I can hold it.
Different from us. Elephant arm bigger than leg. Pass this.
Elephant arm is bigger than the leg, by the way. That was like a workout.
Come this side, please. Kids.
Okay, so that's the cage which they say no to. Because this is what happens to the elephant.
Other bad thing.
But this is the natural way.
More deep.
The skulls of elephants.
Hearing well, but eyes is very poor. And end of the trunk, one finger.
So this is not real.
Not here.
No, this is not
We
real,
have-
guys.
we
The
have
tusks.
other old
Oh,
bones
Jesus,
are
it's
original.
so heavy. They eat 250 kilograms of food a day.
Yeah, her born in 1986 August. Yeah. If
They
that
keep the
baby
baby in the
female,
stomach for
18
22 months,
months to 22
guys.
months.
18 to 22
If that
months.
baby
Okay, so we gave our names. This is our magnet. There are 3 elephants, but obviously we're 4 people, so 1 more elephant. So guys, here only we can like carve names on your magnets, like, you know, key holders, key chains, chains and everything. But in my opinion, they're a bit pricey, but obviously this whole money goes for the welfare foundation. But yeah, the rest all, we were in part of a group for the tour guide. The rest all members have gone over there. They have gone there for the riding of the elephant. But as I said, we've already done that. But I've done the one with, you know, the howdah, which is not good for the elephant. And I was small when I did that. Now we don't have the knowledge that how hurtful it would have been for the elephant. But all I want to say, you guys, is if you guys do elephant riding, make sure you guys say no to howdahs. But this is how it is without the howdahs. It's so cute. Okay guys, plan is to feed the elephant, and to feed the elephant per basket is 500 rupees, which is 500 Sri Lankan rupees. And Mama says it's good to feed the elephant. Why, Mama? Enlighten us. No, because giving food to elephant.
This one. Animals.
Yeah, exactly. It's a good deed. Hi. 1 basket, 500.
That's for you.
It's hot, no? So we give 500 and we collect our fruit basket. And her name is Zaya who did it. This watermelon, sugarcane, and then ये खा ले बा? मगर उतना ही है. This is butta, I guess. Yeah, this is corn. Ma ये खा ले. There's cucumber also. Guys, she's born here and her name is Pooja. That's her first born, by the way. That's Pooja. I don't know what her. Guys, you're feeding Kandula. Basically, it's a boy elephant and you're feeding Kandula. Like, this is so cute. Look at it. Aww. Thank you. Hi. Hi. The last one for you, okay? Finish.
Nemo.
Hi. Hi.
Nice. Get that?
I feel jealous. You elephant keeper.
Okay.
That was epic. Meet you, Kandula. Now it's bath time to go and give them a bath on our part. We've left our stuff, our shoes, and we're heading. I am scared because like we're going barefoot and I just don't want Mama to fall. If Mama falls, even I'll fall. And though the thing is, Mama has knee problems, so Mama. Yeah, Mama. This is what I was talking about. But Mama just wants to meet the elephants. I've never been so close to the elephant. The elephant is right there. Oh yeah! Oh my God, they shine, guys. Yeah. I'm kapetang. Ye gulili. Aili. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Guys, after a hot day, putting your feet inside cold water feels so good. I fear I was never like an island girl or like, you know, water baby or whatever. But this is making me feel like I just want to stay here. Yeah. This is the after result.
For me also.
Mama's not that wet, but I'm like completely wet. I don't know how my pictures have turned out. Because I've got my stuff. I'm gonna quickly change.
2,000 years later.
All changed.
We follow your
Monks for the ceremony. My mom made me put her favorite song. Happy? Ah! Order. Because we purchased the cashews when we were coming, and this is the spicy one. So I'm gonna have it now. The cashews are actually very milky and nice, and the spice is adding another kick to it.
Yeah.
If you come to Sri Lanka, cashews should be one of your list, like option to get. Hey guys, he's bought us. So right now, since we are in a Colombo city tour, we are heading to the church. We have come to the St. Anthony Church, guys, and it's considered very miraculous. So we have come here. Obviously, Mama would love coming here. She's one of the person who loves and adores St. Anthony. So we have come to the St. Anthony's shrine, Kuchi Kade, Colombo. So we're going in now. I believe there's a mass going on. The church was so pretty, like it was worth, and the fact that there was a mass going on, that was nice, no?
And we got the blessing.
Yeah, we got the blessing actually. Hi guys, so it's way later. It is currently 9:10 and we have made it to our hotel finally, heading to our room, but until 10 we have dinner. I think I'm gonna go for that, but I'll quickly head to the room and then come down. It's 4:20 a.m. and I'm gonna be getting ready now. No, we're not checking out. Gotta say hi to the vlog. Like mother, like daughter. We'll see you in Ella. Guys, I am sitting here right now. I am so grateful for the fact that I.
Unfortunately, because of me.